Okay. I think the last one I said it was February the 2nd. It was February the 1st. It is now the 2nd and everything. I'll put the first. I don't know. Okay. 2, 1. That page has got a little hydrated, but we're gonna do the GRE math. Okay. And can get more. Okay. We got the timer. I've checked out the beginning a little bit more. I haven't gotten past page this. Did earlier check one out when I was first checking these out. Not today, but like 2 days ago. It was an easy algebra one. That's why I think I could kind of do this one. Um, we are going to do it. Oh, it is 66. That's at 50. But okay, 2 hours. Questions in the test. Um, Shoot, I need one for note. This one's kind of dirty. What's this one? Video log, sure. GRE math 3. The last one, psychology. I haven't taken a psych course since 2016, and I haven't taken a calculus since 2010. Maybe 2011. Yeah, no, 2011 because I took it for a second semester my freshman year. Um, so this will be fun. I've done a little bit. I read the first chapter of a discrete maths book. um, I got a 4 on my AP calc, and I got a 5 on my AP stats. This is more calc though. So just based off of YouTube videos I've watched, we're gonna see how much I have been able to retain. Um, for example, oh, okay, okay, all right, ready, set. Now I got it, so I think the timer's gonna read the whole time. Uh, got it. Question or incomplete statement followed by 5 suggested. Is that true? Natural logarithms are base E. No, I guess E makes more sense. Growth rate. There's a lot I need. All right. So no, need to note the arbitrary constant e to the EX 2 squared x. All right, I was more cocky than I thought. I looked at question 3 and I was like, oh, I could do this easy. Question 3, R be the radius, the area respective of the circle. If R increased by 40%, what will A increase? So area equals pi R squared. If R equals 1.4, then 1.4 squared equals 6, 1.6. Were we supposed to have a calculator? I feel like we're supposed to have a calculator. Right. Do we get a calculator? I'm already gonna fail this test. Say anything about a calculator. Should know. I think it's just A. The only one that makes sense to me. All right. Anyways, we're gonna go A. 2. Sum infinity 3 log 2 and factorial E. Oh no. I think 1 is A. 2, because when you integrate, you subtract 1. Right? You integrate by dx. Pop the x. Interesting. All right, well, let's just try to do some math then. Oh, see what we do. We got 3 hours. 2, 3 log 2, 1. Log. I don't know what 3 log 2. See if I can do any of these. Should be able to get this one. Circle was 1. Radius becomes 1.4, increases by 40%. Just 140. Radius becomes 140. Radius was originally 100. So now pi 40 squared, or just 14, just do 10. Matter 100. Really? Two. Because I just can't even do math. Okay, 14 times 4. 4 times 4, 6. 14 times 4 is not 6. Bring it back. 4 times 4 is not 26. 4 times 4. God, that's 6 plus 1, 4. So it increases by 96%. Go D. Closest, I mean, it has a number that matches the one I got. If okay. Like, do I have to bring 10 over here? Like, what am I doing? Are you subtracting 10 or dividing by 10? 20 equals 0? Do you want it to equal 1? Well, it's not B, it's not E. Just by the Y. I'm gonna go with C. No, because it's constant. I'm gonna go with A. 4 is A. Oh, I didn't put down 2's answer. 2. Couldn't even begin to tell you. 5. H prime for X for all X real prime. Okay, G is a function on real numbers. H be the function by X squared for a different function for all real numbers. The derivative for all real numbers. This one feels the closest. Do we need to include the prime 0? Because if it's on the real number timeline, it's just 0. What would be? Function of a function equals X. All real numbers X. Function of a function. the function answer of x is equal to the functional answer. 1 over x the function over x. Oh no, but it's interesting. Brother, there is no way. These are just identities I don't know. Okay, I could do number 9. Great. Oh, we just gotta look it up. We're cheating. We're doing this open book. Zero. 0 over 0. Let's see. Of A. It's okay, that's a complicated way to say it. It's going to be 0. Log 1 is 0. X squared is of x. If x is 1, log 1, 0. Top and bottom are both 0. 0 and 0 is 0. That's where A equals x equals 1, not a positive number. I mean, just by the wording of it, it would have to be that way, either A or E. 10 light bulbs in a box. 3 are defective. 2 are to be chosen at random without replacement. Probability that at least one of 2 will be defective. So first you do 3 out of 10 selection. Boom, and you got 30%. Now you multiply this by 2 over 9 selection. Chose it right. And that would be it's gotta be more than, it's gotta be greater than 30%. Is basically 1 of 9. We have 3 chance, and then if you have 3 chances in 9, 33%. Got it right on the first. If you got it wrong on the first try, you got so right, wrong. Making a Venn diagram. You get the first one right. You got 30% chance to get the first one right. Get the first one right. You don't need to get the first one wrong. 33% chance to get one right. And you get the first one right. You don't. Well, or if you get the defective one. So you have the in 30. It might be um by 30 plus. How do you get 9 to 30? Can't. 30, 90, 9 times 3, 27. Math makes sense. You have 7. Which I could guess you could divide by 3 to get 9, right? So we're 19 times 7, carry the 2. Yep, 15, 30. It is D. Power series. X is less than 1. Probably just B. That's the all numbers. That's right. X is less than 1. Although I think those have to be whole numbers in this case. It's going to be squared, so it's the absolute value. It doesn't matter. So it'd be like 1. Oh, I guess you start at 2. And if you have to start at 2, you have to go. Oh, yeah. Crazy. Way over my head. I gotta learn all this. There's a formula to figure this out. Q is greater than P. All positive integers n such that n to the fifth is divisible by P3. Fifth divided by P4. What is the least integer? So first number divisible by damn, this is graph theory. I should know this. I mean, shouldn't know this. I looked into this a lot. G has 190 edges. Okay, let's see if I could recreate graph theory. One edge, one E, two V, two. I'll just go to 3E, 3E, 3V, 4E, 6. No, 4V, 6. Okay, that's a go. 2 and 1, 2, 3, 9 edge. Okay, so 1 point. Oh man. Six vertices. I just need to know these formulas. think it's one of these. Well, it only took me about 30 minutes to figure out I'm way out of my league. Next, C is a subset of X. I think that's correct. I don't remember the terminology. That was from the chapter I read though on discrete mathematics. I feel like 3 is correct. Remember all these identity. The union of A and B be jointment. Also possible, correct? I don't know. Actually, I don't think D is true. Three only. At least I could do that kind of calculus. 3 of 2 hit. Looking at where it lands. We're really landing on where it lands on Y when it hits this point in this function. There, this is where our checkpoint is. 2, where are we on Y? 5, where are we on Y? Local would be what is recorded. Maximum 2, minimum -2. Or where X, where is our maximum X chart? 2 and maybe 7. Maybe that's just a little bit lower, give them a benefit of doubt. The maximum value 18. Yay, I got another one. 18 is okay, a little bit. I got I got 6 answers. I think 2 of them are guesses. 7 answers. Okay. What is the point on the curve y square root? I mean, it's just shifted over to 3. This one probably. Well, that's pretty close. Square root of 3. 1/2 by 1/2 away. It's going to be on the x is going to be just on the x-axis plus 3. Going to go up and to the right. X plus 3. Not going to be any of the negatives on the x-axis. 0 is closer than all those. Do I have to do the freaking... I have to do the Pythagorean theorem on D and E to figure out which one's closer. It's the hypotenuse. I mean, on D, it's just the square root of 3. E is going to be 2.5. The vertical 1.5. 2.5. 25 squared. Squared. I don't think you could do that really. 220, right? Or 25 times 25. That might be. The 15 was 220. I think 25 by 25 is way higher than 500. Yeah. 625. Okay, that's each 8.50. Bigger than the square root of 3. Got another one. F and G are twice differentiable functions of a real variable and a second derivative. The composition f of g is given by which of the following? Which identity can I remember? I like C. Just spoiled out. 20, we're going with C. 21. X squared plus 13 just means changing the base count. Still just doing the same 3x, y. I could divide one side by 5. 3x, y, cy. 2y, go to x. 5 sevens, 7. 15. No. I don't know. I don't know how to modulate numbers. Geometry. So the triangle ABC, sides AB6, B8. C. Doesn't matter which side. AP equals C. Point on E. U. ACB. EQ. EQ. EB. Use. Um. Oh, okay. That's A. 22 is A. Equation. E. We go with A on 23. Okay. I wish I could remember how to do this exactly. No idea. This makes me want to study more. I'm gonna look at what I got. My head's already turned. Jesus, dude. 1A, got it right. Hell yeah. For 3D, got it right. Hell yeah. 4A, got it right. 5B, nope. 8A, nope. 9D, nope. 18, hang on. 8B, 9B, 18B, 19B, 20. D, 22, D, 23, E. Okay, so everything at the very end I thought I got. Scroll back up and look at those. Alright. 23 is E. System is consistent for all real numbers cubed. Cool. The length of the segment is 6. Hmm. Okay. How about this? It makes sense that 3 doesn't fit. I think I just did my math wrong. Yeah, how does 12 and 8? How the fuck does 3 work? Okay. The ratio is 4x is equal to 12 or 8. So 12x is equal to 24. No, 4 times 8, 32. That doesn't seem right either. Oh, yeah. Dude, my math skills are terrible. Oh my gosh. 19, 21, I do want it. 20 is D. 19, C. I guess the origin meaning 0, 0. So which probably the crazy. These percentiles for this math score. Maths. Top 10%, you got to get like a 890. 61, you get 5 questions wrong. Crazy. Average is 680. You get 2/3 right. Just about 2/3. average 840. All right. Did 10 wrong. It'll be hard, man. Real tough. Oh. The maths is important. We'll do the GRE psychology. Probably still take math and physics. I gotta do good in physics. Might as well just go check out the physics one, right? Still got 2 hours. It failed out. All right, how much time are we supposed to have on this one? 2 hours. Perfect. Well, how much time we got? 70 questions. Let's go. All right. One. Two objects sliding on a frictionless surface as represented above collide and stick together. How much kinetic energy is converted to heat during the collision? Ooh. These are macro physics. Okay. I have no idea. It's a total equation. That's super interesting to think about. Yeah, maybe I skip the math one and just go into physics and then go from physics to math. No? Based in reality. Hope there goes gravity. I'm gonna go with a half a joule because I'm going to star it because I did not know it at all. A and B oscillate in equal gravitational fields. Period of pendulum B is twice the period of pendulum following. True. Is it 1/2? I just gotta make sure. Pendulum B is twice the period, so pendulum B is gonna be longer. Pendulum B is gonna be 2 times or 4 times the length of pendulum A. Pendulum A is going faster, slower. I think it's gonna be directly proportional and not like a squared proportion. What D? All right. Ticketable. Oh man, I took the ASVAB and I did not know anything about circuitry. And the next day we learned about circuits. That was back in high school. That was over 10 years ago, 15 years ago. Oh my God. 2 omega resist. Um, IRV. I'm trying to remember all of IRV. I equals V, voltage equals IR, AR. Voltage 20 is equal to an ohm cuts it in half. I don't know what an ohm of resistance. and it goes in series. So if it cuts in half, it's 10, and then one side's gonna get or they're pulse split. I'm gonna go with C. Electrical displacement current through a surface S proportional to so know these things. This is so cool though. I had a physics tutor, but he no, it was getting a little weird. Nice guy, really nice guy. Probably with a z-axis. Just easy. Is it that easy? Or is it easy in relation to EY? Probably E. I don't know. Let's just say 5, E, 4. No idea. I'm leaving it blank. They're wrong. 6. Probably C. I'm gonna go with C. Mm, no, it's probably not C. I don't know. Following processes is the increase equal to the heat added to the gas. A. I don't know. The frequency. Stop the emitter. Um, Crazy. What? Is that really how X-rays work? What's the work function of the metal? What just goes to the ultraviolet light? I'm guessing frequency here is intensity. I'm gonna go with B on 8. 9. X-rays. A. I have no idea. A fun guess. 10. Single electron atom and for L. Probably 2. Or maybe 4. Single electron atom in a single shell. 2. Particle mass is confined in a one-dimensional box. Infinite square well. Length A. Particle ground state energy to the following. Seen this before. This is just memorization. I think it's this one. Go with A. Looks like G. It's been a while since I've seen Planck. Guessing this one. Is it A? I mean, oh, I don't know that answer. It's an identity problem. Maybe it's C. I'll go with E. Why not? 13. Nothing too complicated. Hey, it's fun. Oh, I don't know. How does that change it? It drops it then to D. D is 2 pi r circumference. 14. D orbital cell radius. Um, I think it's either D or E. Oh, with A to B. No, yeah, its momentum's gonna be slower. Let's just go with E, make it simple. $10 box. Okay. Going out one. Accelerated 5 meters. Accelerated 1 meter per second. Acceleration point increased by 0.2. Continuous. M equal MA. Alright. 5 meters. There's one. And 5 seconds accelerated. I'm done. My math is out. My brain is off. I gotta do these in the morning. Bye.